Welcome to Jomtien, Pattaya. It is high season here. It's gonna be our first walk maybe in Pattaya. Look how many people are doing sports here, it's crazy. How many motorbikes are here. All the motorbikes are also huge here compared to Da Nang. But it reminds me a little bit of Da Nang as well, where they have also the Zumba classes or something like that. It's crazy. There's also a 7-Eleven where you can have coffee and eat upstairs on the balcony there. Yeah, so this is the Dong Tai beach. It looks very beautiful at the moment. I don't know why this is flickering that much. I hope it's not that bad. But check this out, guys. Maybe we go somewhere else. It's too much. Should be the police station here. Smart safety zone. Thailand and Vietnam, it's forbidden to smoke vapes. But yeah, this looks nicer here. How can we walk? It's so busy. It's so busy.
Even here, it's full.
Yeah, it's high season, guys. But yeah, look at this beautiful sunset. The sun already set. But this is just a nice thing here. So the sun in Pattaya goes down here. Now, it's a little bit pollution, to be honest. But it's beautiful. We have a lot of jet skis here. And then this nice walk here. You can walk here for hours. It's crazy. And I think the sunbeds, they're already taking it away. There's a little bit of fishing going on, but this is beautiful. I really like this. This sunset. Just like you would think a sunset will be in Thailand, I think. And the ocean looks actually very nice here. It's not as clean as in Da Nang, but it is looking very pretty, right? Let me know in the comments below. How nice does this look here at the moment? They also have some construction going on everywhere. I'm not sure what they're doing here. Maybe some wires or so. Pollution is also bad here, just like in Da Nang at the moment. I feel like everywhere in Southeast Asia. When we landed in Bangkok, Bangkok was also very bad. Bangkok, when we flew in, we really saw the pollution in the air. And I flew into Bangkok many times, but it wasn't like that ever. But now it feels good. It doesn't feel bad here. It's good. But yeah, you got some construction work going on. Very dusty. Ugh. Ooh. Very dusty. I hope it's not the whole walk like that. Yeah, you got your street food stands here, everywhere. I think they're doing roti here. Oh no, what is it? Corn and roti. We got some fruit here. We got some sausages. I think the same they have in Da Nang as well. And now we got it beautiful again. Wow. I'm not sure what kind of ship is over there. Looks like they're doing something. Maybe it's a sand. Maybe they do the sand digging thing. They're doing something. It's unusual there. And here you can buy some durian. 100 baht durian. And it seems like they doing this construction site everywhere here.
You know what it seems like?
What?
This one. They replaced
Oh,
this.
yes. They renewed this.
The edge of it.
Oh, okay.
It seems like.
Hmm.
I don't know the reason.
Look at this. I think this is when you have a jet ski and this is getting pulled by a jet ski, so it's like water sports wise. But yeah, this part of Pattaya is very nice and calm. I think it's very easy to drive here with the jet ski. And it's also nice with the jet ski. A friend of us got a jet ski here.
Yes.
We gotta talk to him. So we are now for the next 2 weeks still in Pattaya, and after that I'm gonna be in Hanoi. So there are gonna be a lot of Hanoi videos as well. And for now, we're gonna have some Pattaya. Check this out. So the oldest jet ski is 900 baht for 30 minutes. The newer ones is 1,500. But yeah, it's weird because social media, you hear so many jet ski scams. I don't feel like renting out a jet ski at all. Especially in those very busy tourist places. Yeah, they're just.
I think they're just remodeling all the.
Yeah. There's also a lot of.
So they're making it more appealing to
Yeah.
tourists. What's their country?
I originally from Russia, but I live in California.
And it's very busy here. But in Da Nang it's also very busy during sunset time. But at this sunset, imagine being on sunset and the jet ski, being on a jet ski at sunset time. Is this a yacht over there? That would be cool. Over there is Koh Lan. Reminds me that we really have to go and explore the island opposite of Da Nang. But yeah, this is also Vutalai 7. I usually stay there as well, but this time it was not possible. This is Jomtien. You got a lot of massage places here, lots of restaurants, coffee shops, and since this year now you can drive both ways again. Before that, it was only a one-way for I think a year. I think 1 year they only had one-way streets. They also, what I really like about this renovation of the Jomtien beach, they have now the
lights?
traffic lights, a good traffic light where you can also see you can drive or not. So as soon as we get green, they will have a red.
They turn red.
And
I think
yeah, and here's red, you cannot walk there now. Yeah,
and someone said at night it's way better than this little light.
exactly. And I think this is some stand-up paddleboarding or rowing. Huh. Or maybe windsurfing. I'm not sure. But we have lots of big condo buildings over there. We got a Copacabana. They're building another one. And yeah, it's very interesting, guys. And I think this is, not sure what this is. Huh. They have few events here always going on. Sometimes they also have volleyball tournaments or jet ski racing. I think there was a jet ski World Cup even here one time. Look at this beautiful tree here. It's not a palm tree. It's just a normal tree. Huh? Oh yeah, Jomtien fishing games. Guys, so all my fishing people.
Oh, it's from the 23 to 25.
And look at this, Sea-Doo. That's a jet ski brand.
It probably means January.
Wow, it looks so cool. It's all lit up here, so it's very safe to walk, no matter what time. The only thing you realize here is like no one is honking, but the engine noise are more loud. So there's so many more big bikes here. I feel like there's 80% of all bikes here are big bikes, like big CC, big heavy bikes. And usually they also have these exhaustion pipes, and it's very loud. They love to tune their cars. Cars and motorbikes. And they all have these trucks. I think they're getting produced here, this Isuzu. Lots of MGs driving around here. Not that many electric vehicles, to be honest. Of course, we have lots of 7-Elevens here. And look at this building here. It looks also nice. It's like beachfront. I'm wondering if it's long-term or hotel. The interesting thing about the Jomtien area here is you have the beautiful beach here. You can cross the street and then you can buy a condo for $50,000 to $100,000. I know a friend, he bought somewhere here, just 500 meters in. Maybe there was even this street, very close. He bought a condo for $18,000 with PayPal. It looks very bad, but he's just renovating it and gutting it out and making it nice. But it's very interesting. So everything, you have a wild range of condos you can buy here, right on the beach. So this is a very interesting thing here, the whole neighborhood. And it's very calm and nice. Banana boats over here. Ah. Then you have those big new projects. I feel like they build more than they rent or sell out. So I'm not 100% sure if it's better to rent or to buy here.
Building, there's still
Yeah, there's going to be a huge one. Another huge building. And since they're having it lit up, they're most likely building it 24/7. So it's going to be done very quick. There's a little bit of an area here where it's darker. They also redid the whole pavement here. Last year, they redid it all. And now it's very nice. I think it's very beautiful here to walk. They could have a little bit more lights here in these dark areas.
maybe they have, but there's bushy.
Bushy, yeah. But yeah, check this out. These long, nice, beautiful sunsets. The sun already set, I don't know, 30 minutes ago, but it's still beautiful. Now it's getting into dark, and now the Pattaya nightlife is starting. But Jomtien is not that crazy, to be honest. If you want to have the good nightlife, you have to go to Pattaya. From here, you're around 30 minutes away. If you're unlucky, maybe 40. Depends on the traffic. With this traffic, I think it's gonna be 30 from here into, I think, Walking Street, or let's say Soy 6 or 7 or something. Look at this. 3 kilos for 100 baht. Oranges. That's cheap. 3 kilos, 100 baht.
Yeah. What did I drink in the morning?
Yeah.
Fresh orange juice. probably 200 milliliters for 75 baht.
Yeah. They have so many trucks here. I think they're coming from the farm and they're just selling it out the truck directly to the people. Big quantities. So good. Thai fruit is very nice. There you can sit even in the evening. Oh, look at this. You can also go on a pirate ship for 500 baht from 3 to 6 p.m. Speedboat transfer welcome. Drinks finishing rod. Swimming pool, slide, private party, private costume, paddleboard, music DJ. That's very interesting. Maybe we should do this one time. Maybe we should live stream that. 3 to 6 p.m. That's actually nice. Marcus, we should go on the pirate boat. It's from 3 to 6 and it costs 500 baht. But maybe we can do a live stream from the pirate boat.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
There's a gym, Jomtien gym on the beach and a sports bar. But it's interesting. I think this is a new gym. I haven't seen this yet. Let me know in the comments how the image is right now. I don't have on the night mode. And I film it with my pocket, with my action camera. Look at this beautiful retro Vespa, or whatever this is. It's not a Vespa, it just looks like one. It is very modern actually. It's a modern bike.
The genuine company, Scooter genuine company.
But it looks old, that's cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.